Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginner and intermediate learners. We read a story with the title Tara the Brave Bengal Tiger. I encourage you to pause the video regularly. Identify the new vocabulary and remember to practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. In the dense forests of India lived a young Bengal tiger named Tara. She had bright orange fur with bold black stripes. Tara loved exploring the forest, from the tallest trees to the deepest streams. She dreamed of becoming the bravest tiger of them all. Every morning, Tara stretched and greeted the sun. She ran through the bamboo groves, chasing butterflies. She practiced her roar until it echoed through the trees. Someday, everyone will know how brave I am, she thought. One day, while drinking from the river, Tara heard a cry. She perked up her ears and followed the sound. It came from a baby deer stuck in the mud. Its tiny legs were trapped. Don't worry, Tara said gently. She nudged the baby deer with her strong head. With one big push, the deer was free. Thank you, the deer cried. You're a hero. Tara smiled, but she still wanted to be braver. That night she lay under the stars and wondered what else she could do. She wanted to help every creature in the forest. She made a promise to herself to always be kind and brave. The next day, Tara heard a buzzing sound. She found a beehive that had fallen from a tree. The bees were swarming and scared. Bzzz. Tara gently pushed the hive back up into the branches. Thank you, Tara, buzzed the queen bee. You saved our home. Tara felt her heart grow warm. Being brave also meant being helpful, she realized. As days passed, Tara helped wherever she could. She guided lost birds, cleared paths, and shared her food. The forest animals began to call her Tara the Brave. She loved her new name. One evening, a heavy rainstorm hit the forest. Lightning flashed and thunder roared. Tara took shelter in a cave and listened to the storm. Then she heard a whimper. It was a small monkey, shivering and scared. "Don't worry," Tara said, wrapping her tail around it. "You're safe with me." The monkey clung to her fur and fell asleep. The next morning the rain stopped and the sun returned. The monkey's family came looking for it. They hugged Tara and thanked her. "Anytime," Tara said with a smile. Word of Tara's kindness spread through the forest. Animals came to her with all kinds of problems. She always listened and tried to help. Her bravery wasn't just in her roar, but in her heart. One day, an old wise elephant approached Tara. "I've seen many tigers," he said, "but none as brave as you." Tara felt shy, but proud. "Thank you," she whispered. The elephant told her about a hidden waterfall deep in the forest. "It's beautiful, but dangerous," he warned. Tara's eyes sparkled with curiosity. "I want to see it," she said. She set off at dawn, the mist swirling around her. She crossed rivers and climbed hills. She listened to the sounds of the forest. Every step felt like an adventure. Finally, she reached the waterfall. It roared like 1,000 tigers. Rainbow mist rose from the crashing water. Tara gasped in wonder. But then she saw a tiny bird struggling in the current. Without thinking, Tara leapt into the water. She paddled hard, grabbing the bird with her teeth. She pulled it to safety. The bird chirped with gratitude. "You're the bravest of all," it sang. Tara beamed. She felt proud of her actions. She spent the day by the waterfall, watching the rainbow spray. She thought of all the creatures she had helped. She thought of her promise to be kind and brave. She knew her heart was strong. That night she returned to her den. Fireflies danced above her like tiny stars. She curled up, feeling peaceful. The forest was her home, and she was its protector. Days turned into weeks, and Tara grew stronger. Her stripes shone brighter, and her roar grew louder. But her gentle heart remained the same. She was always ready to help. One morning she woke to find a group of deer outside her den. They were searching for water. Tara led them to a hidden stream she knew well. They thanked her with shy smiles. As they drank, a little fawn asked, "How did you get so brave?" Tara chuckled. "It's not just about being strong," she said. "It's about caring for others." The fawn's eyes sparkled. "I want to be brave like you someday," it said. Tara patted its head gently. "You already are," she whispered. That evening the forest animals gathered around Tara. They thanked her for all she had done. Tara felt warm inside, like the sun on her fur. She was proud to be Tara the Brave. A wise old owl flew down and gave her a special feather. "It's a feather of courage," he said. "Wear it and remember your promise." Tara tucked it behind her ear. She wore the feather proudly as she roamed the forest. Every creature smiled when they saw her. They knew they were safe with Tara nearby. Her heart was a shield for all. Sometimes she sat under the stars and watched the moon. She remembered all the lives she had touched. She felt grateful for her home and her friends. And she knew tomorrow would bring new adventures. Tara closed her eyes and dreamed of faraway lands. Maybe someday she would explore them all. But for now, she was happy in her forest. Home was where her heart belonged. Tara, the brave Bengal tiger, lived each day with courage and kindness. She taught the forest that bravery is more than a roar. It's about helping others and keeping promises. And that made her the bravest tiger of all. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button. Also consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.